Hello student, it is my second video. In previous video I had asked a question. The answer is 4. As you can see this bishop, I have put it on d4 square. Bishop can move only on a diagonal way. Here is 4 diagonals way, 2 up diagonal and 2 down diagonal. I keep the other bishop in white square. You see, he moves only in white colored square. There are 2 bishops on both sides. One live in dark square and other live in white square. Also you see, the one direction, the way of, it means the way of bishop blocked by black knight. So here white bishop can move here or here. It means capture the knight. Bishop cannot cross the knight. And in down direction you see one white pawn is in f2 square. So this side bishop can move only here. Okay, this is the queen. Queen is the most powerful piece of chess. The queen can move to any square, straight or diagonal. A queen can act both like a rook and a bishop. Now see here, how can queen move? He can move here, here, here or here. This is a diagonal way, now a straight way. Here, here, here or here. This is a straight way, now diagonal way down. Here, here, here and down a straight. Here, here, here and again diagonal way. Here, here and here. Again a straight way. Here, here and here. Again diagonal way. Here, here and here and up a straight way. Here, 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 here. It means here you see queen can move as like rook or bishop. It means a straight and diagonal. A queen can move maximum 27 squares. Queen can capture every piece only its opponent piece who block the path of queen. For example, here you see the black rook is up direction of queen and black knight is down diagonal way of queen and his pawn in down diagonal. So here queen captured the black rook in one turn, or queen captured his knight is one turn and his pawn direction he can move only one square. He can move only one square, but up direction he can move here and he captured the rook. In the down direction he can move here and capture the knight in only one turn. It is clear. Now you see here, this is the king. A king can move in any direction, straight and diagonal, but it can move only one square at a time. A king can never enter a square which is under attack. Now see, king can move here, 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 here. It means a king can move maximum 8 squares. Here you see white king is on d4 square and dark bishop is on d5 square and black king is on h2 square. Also you know, a king cannot enter a square which is under attack. Here you see, king cannot move left side white square and right side white square. He can move here or here or here or here or here or here. Here you see there are 8 squares are available to move the king, but in this position king moves only 6 squares. 2 white square is captured by opponent bishop. So king cannot move there. You know, king can move maximum 8 square. So write the answer. How many square where king cannot move? Only write that square where king cannot move. Comment below. In next video, we teach you the movement of other piece, knight and pawn. After you learn the move of the pieces, then I teach you how to play the game, how can you things, capture, attack. Okay, thanks for watching this video.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.